Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to start off talking about one of Jamaica's major conglomerate companies. That's PanJam Investment Limited. PanJam trading in their shares here. Advisory that a connected party bought up just over 1,000 shares on June 14th of this year. Now, major moves happening on our very own JSE, Jamaica Stock Exchange. Talk about, lead arranger or broker, VM Wealth, making a lot of moves over the last, couple of weeks or month or so. Something like 2 or 3 transactions, including Caprit, Dollar Financial as well. In this case here, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica Limited, change of their name here. That's a venture capital company. Following an EGM, that's Extraordinary General Meeting, held on June 13th, the company received shareholder approval to change the name of the company to MFS Capital Partners Limited. MFS, welcome to the dance to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the JSE now. Now, Mayberry Investments Limited, ticker symbol MIL or MIL, trading in their shares as well. Advisory by the company that a connected party purchased a total of just over 218,000 shares on June 10th, 2022 this year. Limners Bards Limited, better known as the Lab across Jamaica and the JSE, continues its growth with a strong second quarter 2022. The Lab for the second quarter, April 30th, 2022, increased revenue by the numbers here to 338 million from 262 million year over year. Net profit likewise improved to 55.6 million from 46.5 million, or EPS, that's earnings per share, for the current quarter, 6 cents. We like that on Business Live, versus 5 cents year over year. Now, what is so impressive about the Lab? You look on that balance sheet, huge cash and cash equivalents, 455 million Jamaican. They just keep building that cash. That's not retained earnings, but cash, that big line item there. So the Lab could do something amazing, not just buy equipment, not just expand their studios, not just do subsidiaries, but they could do some acquisitions, some M&A, that space. Who knows what the Lab could be thinking about this year and into next year. Last up, the big news, what's happening out there, sending the Dow Jones, closer to 30,000 points and below 30,000 points. The U.S. Federal Reserve, that's the Fed there, increasing interest rates by 0.75%. They're even saying that potentially at the next meeting, it could go up by another 0.75%. So sending the markets there into a tizzy. The Fed comes out and says the largest interest rate hike since 1994. Now, it sends all treasury bonds across the board even higher. The 10-year treasury note at something like 3.44% or so. And global central banks continue to raise rates to curb inflation pressures across the board. We're feeling that in Jamaica as well. Bottom line here, though, U.S. inflation for May, you analyze that, it came in, annualized rate, 8.6%, the highest since 1981. Some of us weren't even born then. That's 1981. Enjoy, have a fantastic evening. This is Business Live.